Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to basically show you how you can create your own beginning and ending of a video in StreamYard. So I'm going to hit record. I am going to type in tutorial video to add your own beginning. Whoops. And end. Okay. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to call this intro. Sorry. There's a reason why I'm doing this. Intro. We'll just call it intro. So we're entering into StreamYard now. And I am going to change my settings. Go to general. I'm going to do it portrait. You'll see why in a few minutes. And my audio is right. So let's get in here and let's change this to Digital Granny. And let's add to stage. Okay, so now that you can see, I am vertical. I'm kind of off-centered a little bit, but that's okay. Never played by the rules. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm actually going to hit record, and I'm going to create an intro, okay? So it's going to be really short. Hello, the name I go by is Digital Granny, also known as Paula. I love this video. You just have to see this video. Who doesn't like seeing different kind of like atmospheric environment? What's the word I'm looking for? Really pretty pictures or scenery videos. Anyways, let's cut to it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to download this, okay? And then I'm going to show you how I do the next part. So let's just downloading. Give it a couple minutes here. And I really do not like that I'm off. Okay, so I click download, and then I click recording, click on recording. So it is downloading that. Then I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to make another. It is recorded? Yes. So now I'm going to go back in. I got to return to the dashboard. I got to go recording. Then I'm going to click and put in here outro, which means the end. Okay, so I'm going to go and I'm going to create an end video so that you can see this and how simple it is. Oh, and we're going to change the settings because this is going to be a portrait style vertical. Okay, so we're back to vertical. And I need to change to pink because I love pink. Okay, so I'm going to hit record again. Okay, I hope you love that just as much as I love creating it. This is so fun. Have fun. If you have any questions, ask me. I'm always around. Have a blessed day. Hit end recording. There we go. So I've just created a beginning and an ending inside of StreamYard. And you can do this. You can get the free StreamYard. You can also get the paid. If you go to get the paid, make sure to go to my link if you don't mind and click on the link, as that is a referral, an affiliate type of thing. I don't know exactly how it works, but if you could do that for me, I'd appreciate it. Anyways, there's also a free StreamYard with a limit on the amount of hours that you can actually use it for, but it's great. If you don't want to pay, then you don't have to do that. So I'm now going to go to Canva, and this is where it's all going to come together, okay? So I'm actually going to go home. I'm going to create a video. Clicking on video, I'm going to do TikTok video. And then what I'm going to do is go on the side here and go upload. I'm going to upload my intro. Didn't I download my outro? I thought I downloaded it. I didn't download it. Here it is. I got to download it quickly. Sorry, I forgot to download. It's downloading that now. It'll be there. Now this one's uploading. I'm going to add 3 pages, and I'll show you why. There's my first page. Whoops. Let me put that to the front. And we're going to, remember I showed, you might not have known, but you can right click this and set video as background. And there you go. It's automatically there. And then I'm going to upload a video that I did quickly. And we're just going to see that blue line. It's filling it, it's uploading it, it's filling it in, it's filling in the blue line. But you're actually going to go here, set video as background again. And as soon as did it upload, sometimes you may run into a bit of a problem. There, okay. You might have to upload it again. Now, the next one I'm going to do is my outro, and my outro's right there. And it is uploading. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to set video. You can also do this. Let me just show you detached video. You can also just drag it so it fits. All right. Sometimes you'll have something that doesn't fit and you want to drag it and make it fit for you. Okay. Now, in between here, we can add what are called transitions. See this in between so that it's not choppy like. Let me show you what I mean. Now, you have to remember this. In Canva, when you're going from one video to the next, sometimes in Canva, it may seem like it's not complete, like not transitioned well, but when you download it, when you take it out of Canva, you will actually be able to look at the video and make sure that it's smooth. And I've never had anything not smooth when you take it out of Canva. It's like sometimes it just doesn't show right. So you know what, watch this. It goes straight. Sometimes you'll want an edit where it goes boom, boom, just like that with no hesitation. And do I hear myself? There we go. Environment. What's the word I'm looking for? Really pretty pictures. That was a lot of talking. I probably should edit it out. But anyways. Okay. I'm actually going to make this a little bit shorter because I heard a lot of dead space. Okay. Let's cut to it. So what I'm doing is I'm just dragging this a little bit shorter. Okay. Now, what's the beginning like? I didn't even check the beginning. Okay. I could even cut it shorter. That's good. And then we're going to click on the transition. And I'm going to do a slide. I like slides. Don't ask me why. It's just preference, okay? I like how it goes. There we go. Do more of what you love. It's just a quick little pretty, isn't that pretty? Now, I'm going to click on this second one. I'm going to drag it a little bit so there's no dead space. And I don't want to hear my whatever that is. Okay, I hope you love that just as much as I love creating it. This is so fun. Have fun. If you have any questions, ask me. I'm always around. Have a blessed day. Okay. And I got a little bit extra at the end. A little. Let's make it a little bit shorter. And I just like to test it. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to add another transition right there. We could do a line wipe. We could do a color, Sometimes let's do circle just to make it different. Okay, so this is a 35-second video. We've added a front and we've added the middle and we've added the back. Okay, now I'm going to name this. I'm going to call this a tutorial with my own video in the beginning and end. Is that going to be good? Tutorial with my own video in the beginning and end. Yeah, we're just going to leave it like that, I guess. Let's try that. So I'm going to go click over here and I am going to download. I'm not doing any kind of major editing. We just added in a couple of transitions. I created the video, the intro, and the outro with StreamYard because I love StreamYard. StreamYard is so beginner friendly. I hope that this helps you. And we're going to let that download because it takes a little bit sometimes. Yeah, so what I'll do is I will actually show you the results in a minute. Hello, the name I go by is Digital Granny, also known as Paula. I love this video. You just have to see this video. Who doesn't like seeing different kind of like atmospheric environment? What's the word I'm looking for? Really pretty pictures or scenery videos. Anyways, let's cut to it. Okay, I hope you love that just as much as I love creating it. This is so fun. Have fun. If you have any questions, ask me. I'm always around. Have a blessed day.